What's up with it, Bo? What's up with it? Yeah. Hey, welcome to the Odyssey, cousin, Bo. Did not know Bones dropped another little album, Bo. Yeah, with somebody else though. What's this motherfucker's name? Brevin Kim. Never heard of cuz before, never. But you got Mr. Graveyard on the album with you? Yeah. We gonna tap in, but this one right here, you talking about Sesh. Bro, Sesh. Bro, you already know what it is, bro. If it's Bones, you know what it is, G. It's Graveyard. Whole lot of money. Hey, let's see what this demo video talking about. You feel me? But this is a whole lot of money. Bones, you splurging? Didn't even know. I thought you was at the Graveyard still. But Brevin, never heard of a motherfucking name Brevin before. Brevin, that is not a normal name. Brevin. All right. Brevin Kim Bones. Hey, whole lot of money. Run that shit. Brevin. Never. Salute. Lot of money. Yeah. That shit cool. Call me daddy, I call her mama. Hey. When she disappear, who else she call her daddy? You feel me? Bones at the casino, Bo? There do be a lot of old people in the casino, Bo. Be blowing their money. Hell up. That's another thing, too. Why is it so many old people at the casino, bro? Like, dead ass, if you go to any fucking, my experience, bro, any casino I have been to, bro, it's hella old people. Like, where y'all getting all this money from, bro? And then y'all getting mad talking about y'all ain't got health aid or some shit or, insurance. Bro, you been at the casino, bro. I call her mama. She call me daddy. But when you hit up in that bitch, you hit. I hear you, but are you gonna be one of those old motherfuckers in the casino, bro? Me, I'll pop in and out, bro. Hey. Stretch limos, okay. Oh, Hummer. Look at Bones, cuz like, where's shot? Okay, Graveyard, nigga. Yeah. Little rock, yeah. Fuck you, bitch, and taking life at the same damn time. I'm method on bed, killing while I'm in. Hanging up like red clothes, now he floating in the wind, yeah. That's one of these songs, like how they doing it, bro. You had one of those nights, say, we're gonna take it like this. We was at the casino with all the old people spending money, getting money, a whole lot of fucking money. Bruh. The night ain't over with. We got the stretch outside. Everybody pile up in that bitch. Bro, everybody lit. You feel me? Good. Bro, we got a sunroof. You feel me? Hang out there, motherfucker. Everybody, we good. It's one of those nights, bro. I hear you. You been on one of those nights that you know exactly what I'm talking about. And damn, it ain't over with yet. No, motherfucker, the night is still young. Okay. Sound like German Shock, yeah. So, hey, tight end, you feel me, from the Giants back in the day. German Shock. Motherfucker was cold. He went to the U, bro. Yo, they got bones look like a whole fucking video, bro. And then I kind of did a little snippet on the album. You know, they got the little guitar shit in there for Bones, the light side of Bones and shit, G, you feel me? Shit, you tap in with Bones, you know what I'm talking about, how he do that shit, bro. Some of that singing doodle ass shit, you feel me? But get back to that graveyard shit, man. Skinny white pimp, man, you know what I'm talking about? But Brevin Kim, never heard of Cuz before. But you link with Sesh. You gotta tap in with it. Now hold on, Bo. Yeah, I told you I tapped in with it, right? You like, yeah, Bo. What else we got? This shit right here, that whole lot of money was cool. That German Shocky was cool too, but this shit right here, it's called Deceased Man. Bo, you know Graveyard with that shit, Bo? Hey, check him out. Hey, this shit, bruh, it's one of those. Yeah. Talk your shit, Graveyard. Yeah. Hold the fuck up. He said, please call me out. I've been ready to knock your ass out, Bo. Who he talking about? Bo, who got beef with Graveyard, cuz? Who got beef with Sesh? Talking about Bones, Bo. Nigga, run that shit back, Bo. He said, do the mortuary dance. Bro, talk it. Graveyard, Sesh.
It's a deceased man with a nigga in my hand. Why you whipping high voice when you know it's been a jam? It's a graveyard kick and the mortuary dance. Fucking graveyard shifts to the baseball game.
Yeah.
Say bread, sit up on my bed, bitch. Spots 12 bad if you stepping on my leg trick. Please call me out. I've been waiting for the chance, bitch. Just to knock you out. It's so bad, romantic. Pistols on my head, bitch. You won't, bitch. You can't try to set balls up. Then the ball of us dead. I ain't leaving here with nothing. Leave a bloody in his bed. What I want is a look that he give me for me pass. Boy, in my eye, he don't really want me down. But you get it. Let the man in my eye, he don't really want me down. But you get it. Let the man
T-Sesh. Yeah, Graveyard bitch. Yeah, nigga, that shit hit. That shit hit, Bo. Bo, when I heard that, I said, yeah. Because I did kind of like dig into the album or not. I was like, man, what one of those Bones hits at? Bro, the title was right there. Deceased Man. Long way, on the way, the right way. Sesh. Boom with your bit, man. Stay tuned. The Odyssey continues on Yachtas. Believe that.